We're gonna remove the gooseneck penetration that we just installed. Be careful because it's wet caulking. It'll take more time than usually, I guess. We have to remove one row higher that time to remove the nailing, that shingle which is nailed at the top under these nails. So I'm gonna have to remove, whoever this one finish, I have to remove all the nailing and nail it back. There we go. And we're gonna remove our nail. Clip that one back. Start from one side to the other. So we're gonna nail the last row. And we're clipping back the last row we unclip for the nailing. There we go. Our patch is made.
Voila.